How to use two telegrams in one phone. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use two Telegram accounts in your phone. For that, you need to add an account. So I have already logged into my one account. So in order to add account, you first need to tap on this hamburger menu at the top left. And right below your account name, you see an option to add account right here. Just tap on it. Now you will be directed to this page where you have to enter your phone number. And once you enter your phone number, then you can just click on this arrow button right here. And if you have already logged into this account before, then you won't need to verify your account. If this is your first time logging into this account on your device, then Telegram will send you a verification OTP on your device. So you will have to enter that. Once you tap on the arrow button, it will ask you if your number is correct or not. So you have to verify that it is your number and you have not made any mistakes. And then just tap on this icon right here. And as you guys can see, because I have logged this account multiple times on my phone, I don't need to enter any kind of OTP. But if it's your first time, then you will have to enter your OTP for the first time. Then you won't need it as well. So if I tap on this again, what will happen is, as you can see, I have my two accounts logged in. I was logged into this account before. Now I am logged into this one. And you can switch back and forth from here. And that's how you can use two Telegram accounts on one phone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.